Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Nostech Academy. In this video, we are going to answer 2023 Paper 2 GCE. This is a trigonometric question. All right. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So when you look at the question here, this question, first you need to discover the type of the rule we are going to apply. You need to know, the rule we are going to apply automatically here, since we have a side and an angle is in between the two sides, okay, which is called an included angle. We are going to use the cosine rule. All right, so let's write the sides. So this angle P, its opposite side is this side, which is small letter P. Then this angle Q here, its corresponding side is this one, which will be small letter Q. Arrow here, which is arrow, its corresponding side is this, and its opposite side is this side, which is small letter arrow. So those are the sides we're going to use to come up with a formula. Okay, so we're going to start with P. Our formula, let me just write from here. Our formula will be, since we are asked to calculate RQ, which is this side, and RQ is represented by the letter P, so we're going to say P squared is equal to the other two sides, R squared plus Q squared minus 2 times the product of these two, which is RQ, cos the angle, which is angle P. Okay, angle P. So that's the formula we're going to use. Let me just copy it here, which is P squared is equal to R squared plus Q squared minus 2 RQ cos P. Okay, then it's just a matter, it's just substituting here. So P there, we don't have the value, which is just RQ. Then R is 7.1. So we have P squared is equal to, where there is R here, we're going to substitute with 7.1, which will be 7.1 squared, plus the value of Q is 23.8. So we're going to write 23.8 minus 2 times 7.1 times 23.8 cos the angle, which is here, which is 92.7. Okay, 92.7. all right, so when we solve 7 squared here, 7.1 squared, we're going to find 50.41 plus 23, oh by the way, this one is squared, 23.8 squared, we're going to find 600 500, not 600, 566.44. When you multiply this, it will be minus 2 times 7.1 times 23.8. You're going to find 337.96 cos the angle, which is 92.7. So when you look at this, you can just, let's add the first two, which are these. Okay, we can subtract this one with this one because this one is attached to the cos this angle, so they are like terms, in other words. So when you add these two, we're going to find, let's say P squared is equal to 50.41 plus 566. We're going to find 616.85 minus 337.96 cos 92.7. So here we can punch everything on the calculator. So p squared is equal to, when you punch everything on the calculator here, you're going to find 632.77009. So when you square root both sides, we're going to find, so this and this square will cancel. Therefore, P is equal to, the square root of 631 is 25.154949, okay, 1549219. Now, correcting this, you remember a question they've asked us to leave your answer to 2 decimal places. So we're going to say, therefore, RQ, distance RQ is equal to 2 decimal places is up to 5 here. Then the number after 5 is less than 5, so you don't add 1 to the previous number. So it will be 25.15. So 25.15. Don't forget the units, which are kilometers. Okay, so RQ is 25.15. Okay, so RQ, let's just write it here. So I was just creating space. So RQ is equal to 25.15 kilometers. Okay, now let's go to the second question. The second question, we are asked to find the area of triangle PQR. So area of a triangle here is given by the formula, area is equal to half now the 2 sides. So we're given this and this side, so we can say QR or RQ, QR, then sine the angle, which is sine angle P. So when we substitute here, we're going to say half, then the value of Q in the question there is 23.8 multiplied by R, which is 7.1, then sine 7.1 sine P, which is 92.7. Okay, when you punch everything in, on the calculator, we're going to find 8. We are finding 82.39620. Then what is the instruction saying? Okay, since this is area, just area, and the degree of accuracy is not specified here, whether we should leave our answer to 2 decimal places or any significant figure. So we can just, if the degree of accuracy is not specified, we leave our answer correct to 3 significant figures. So this one will be 84.4, because this is greater than 5, so we add 1 to this previous number, which will be 84.4. Since it's area, it will be kilometers squared. Okay, we found area. Okay, let's go to the last question, which is under question A. So calculate the shortest distance from P to RQ. So from here to this. So the formula for shortest distance is given by shortest distance, which is abbreviated as SD, is equal to 2 multiplied by area over the base. Okay, so 2 times the area, we have found 84.4, which will be 84.4 over the base. The base is PQ. Alright, not PQ, sorry, PRQ, which is P here, this distance, of which we've already calculated, which will be 20, which is 25.15. So 25.115. Okay, so when you do our calculations, we're going to find 6.7117.296. Now, correct to here the degree of accuracy is specified. We are asked to leave our answer to 2 dp, which is 2 decimal places. So this one will be 6.71. Okay, this is 2 decimal places, and you just write kilometers. Okay, and that is the final answer. That is the shortest distance. Okay, so if this video is helpful to you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much. Let's continue revising. Okay, that's the repetition and practice are the best method of studying. So do a lot of calculations, do a lot of practice, and you notice that time will be even saved in the exam. You will not even waste time to start thinking, "Oh, what method am I going to use?" Because you've already practiced. So it's time to apply what you know and what you practiced. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.